Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos. So if you like watching videos of someone spending too much money on clothes but having a blast doing it, then please subscribe below for returning viewers. Thank you guys so much for coming back. It is greatly appreciated. If you guys like this video, then please give it a thumbs up at the end and let's dig right into it. Okay, today I am doing a Bad Habit Boutique unboxing. So, if you're not familiar with Bad Habit Boutique, it is basically an online boutique shop. They have an app for shopping, or you could shop off of their Facebook page, or you could shop off of their website. So, various different ways to order items. They have cute stuff. It's frequently, pretty affordable. I have the app and I find myself frequently opening it up and seeing what new items they're sending and doing my ordering from there. Well, they're launching a weekly style box, which is basically an entire outfit in a box, which you guys know I love. I love an entire outfit in a box. So I jumped all over this. I think it was $59 for an outfit. I know most of what's supposed to be in here. It's supposed to be a pants, a shirt, and a cardigan, but I don't really know exactly what shirt or cardigan. I think I do know what pants. So I like that there's a little bit of mystery to it, but I also know what I'm getting, and I'm only ordering the box if I'm interested in what they're sending. And so I was interested with their first week style box. I was very interested in, so I went and got it. So I pulled it out of the bag. It is just tissue paper covered, and let's go ahead and dig right into it. Okay, I will start at the bottom here. Bottom of the outfit, that is. Okay, so we have a pair of white jean capris. I'd call these more of a, they're very much like a jegging type thing. They are capris. I wasn't sure if it was going to be a little bit longer on me, like maybe they'd be more ankle, but they do look very capri-ish, so I'm expecting them to be more capri-like. I was actually kind of hoping when I ordered this, I was kind of hoping like, okay, it says capri, but on me it'll be ankle. So we'll see. But it is a regular, 5-pocket. Again, it doesn't even feel denim. It doesn't feel super denim-y. It feels more just stretchy. What is this made out of? 70% cotton, 25% polyester, 5% spandex, and this is by Elite. So, alright, well, we will see how that fits. They only have small, medium, large, so never know how they'll fit. And I'll definitely say, I always order smalls, and it's a little bit hit or miss. Some of the stuff has fit great, some of it has been too big, so it's been a little bit hit or miss for me. And then for the top, we have this black floral top by Gain, and it is I love this. This is actually really beautiful. A black top with pink flowers on it. It looks to be kind of a little bit of a scoop neck or a boat neck. I'd say a little bit of a scoop neck. And looks a little bit tunic length with rounded hem on the bottom. So I think this is really cute. Okay, and then the last piece of the outfit is this cardigan. This is by Debut. It is small/medium, so I think it's meant to be more of a slouchy cardigan. I love the, it's kind of a dusty rose, light mauve color to it. It seems really good quality. I think that's really cute. So I expect it to be, like I said, I expect it to be a little bit slouchy on me, but I am excited to get this all on. So there we go. We've got the capris, the floral top, and the cardigan. This was all $59, so that was too good of a deal to pass up. So hopefully this will all fit. Let's go ahead and put it on. Okay, first off, we have, why did I say first off? It's one outfit. So here's the outfit. So let's start at the bottom. The capris. They really are capri length. I was hoping they'd be ankle length on me, and they're not. They are genuinely capri length. What do you guys think of this length? I don't know. I'm not completely sold on it. I will also say that up here at the top, there is a little extra room, so I would actually have to wear a belt with these, but they're super comfortable. Obviously a great deal price-wise. Okay, I ticked down the camera a little bit more so you guys can see the capri length a little bit better. I'd love to hear you guys' opinions on that. Okay, so the top. The cardigan is obviously a bit big. As soon as I saw small/medium, I knew, you know, it was going to be more of an oversized cardigan. It feels like good quality. I like the color of it. So this just might be a good, you know, stay-at-home type cardigan. So I don't know. I don't know what to think of it. Again, would love to get you guys' opinions on it. And then I'll take this off so you guys can see the tunic top underneath, which I do think this is quite cute. I think this will look nice with some white skinnies in the summer, or I have other pink cardigans that I can wear over it, or I don't know. I think it's cute. Let me know what you guys think. Let's do a quick recap. Okay guys, just to do a super quick recap, for $58 we received the white capris, the tunic top, and the cardigan. The cardigan was a bit big, which I anticipated, but I'm not a big slouchy cardigan person. I like a more fitted cardigan, but I am thinking about, I would like to do, should I get to 1,000 subscribers one of these days, I would like to do a giveaway. I think this would be an amazing piece for this, just because it will fit a little bit wider range than any of my other clothes. And I think it's a great cardigan. I mean, I don't have a negative thing to say about it, except it was just bigger than I like to wear. So I think I will probably put this in the subscriber giveaway, and that way it doesn't feel like a throwaway piece. And then we have the tunic top. I really do like the tunic top. I think it's pretty. I am not a big floral person, but I think an exception for me is frequently like a black top with a pink flower. I just, for some reason, am drawn to that. So I do really like this tunic top. And the capri, the waist was a little bit big. I didn't love it, but I do like it. I don't know how I feel about the capri length, just because, you know, I was in the capri land for a lot of years. I moved out of the capri land a few years ago, and I don't know if I'm ready to go back. And I don't even know. I mean, are capris back in style? I don't know. So this one, guys, I really could use help. I thought this was a fun box. I don't know that I necessarily felt like this was worth it. I wanted to try it. The problem is, you know, you buy it, you keep it. I don't know that they have a return policy. If anybody knows about Bad Habit Boutique and a return policy, let me know. But typically anything I've got that hasn't fit, it's just, I've given it to somebody. I don't know that I would do this again, because they don't give you a lot of information, because these are supposed to be somewhat mystery boxes, so they give you kind of an overall theme, but you don't know exactly what you're going to get. So if I had known, you know, the cardigan was going to be a small/medium, I probably would not have gotten the box. I did know this was going to be capri, but like I said, I was hoping maybe it would be ankle length on me. So I don't know. I don't know if this is worth it. I'm going to keep an eye on the weekly boxes just to see if there are things that jump out at me that I think I would like or that will fit me. I'm really going to have to be careful, because I really don't want to pay $60 for a box where I might keep one thing, because I don't think, you know, this was really my only piece I really liked, and I would never pay $60 for this. So alright, well, you guys tell me what you think, though. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, then please subscribe below, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.